Hey, what's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video today. We're doing a product review from Tribal Max Green Auto Technologies. It's the ceramic protective tire shine, exterior and interior, the Boss of Gloss. I'm not going to be doing anything on an interior of the review of this because I don't believe gloss should be in interior anyways. It should be a matte or satin finish. So what I am going to do is show off the properties on exterior tires and and some plastic trim and the window cowl. So if you like watching product reviews, how-to videos, live streams we do every other Saturday, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get into the video. So I got this product a couple months ago, and the company is asking me to do a product review on it. So the first thing I've noticed when I see this bottle, I'm gonna go all the way around with it. There's no instructions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop on their video or onto their website because there is a scan. You can scan here and see if there's anything on their website. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so I am on their website now at greenoutotechnology.com, and one of their big things is they have something that boosts your miles per gallon. They got a video on it. I guess this guy got a lot of miles per gallon in addition for stuff. So I'm gonna go to the Tribal Max. It's gonna tell us what it is, and the shop button. I'm gonna see shop. That must be already done here. Oh, here we go. So their tire shine is right here. Retails for $20. It says it has some ceramic, and we're gonna take a look at it. It says tire shine, exterior and interior ceramic protective formula. They still got another video of. Wish they would have a video there of how the product works instead of talking about miles per gallon. But coat your tires and trim over 10 times, no sling. Advanced ceramic provides long-lasting hydrophobics and UV protection against road debris, rubber cracking from weathering. 16-ounce flip squeeze bottle, an applicator foam pad, and you get a free sample if you order a multi-surface ceramic spray if you order yours packaged today. So what I'm not seeing is if you can do any type of layering, how long is the cure time, how long is it going to last, how to apply it, any of that stuff. So we'll just go with what I know or what I think you should get done, and we'll go with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the GoPro set up, and we're going to do a tire and a window cowl, and I'll come back and give you my final results or my final opinion on this thing. Okay, so first I got this car. It's all cleaned up now. I'm dressing the tire, so I'll try it on this applicator here on the round one. What I did not do and I should have done is put some gloves on. This stuff it's kind of sticky, actually quite a bit. So if you are going to be using this product, I do highly recommend getting some gloves because you're going to need it. So, and then my first glance at it is like, I do see the gloss in there. It's actually coming out pretty darn good. And I was kind of impressed at first, but it does dry out pretty quick. So I do recommend at least doing a 2-layer on this because when the rubber's thirsty, it's sucking this stuff up pretty good. So I'm going to try a different applicator up here on the front tire, and actually it really doesn't matter after doing both of these tires which applicator you use. They both come out with the same performance. The gloss on there is phenomenal right at the beginning. When it dries up, it does need a second coat for sure, which I didn't know at the time of recording what the cure time was and what the if you can do a second coat. So I did send him a message on Instagram, and then a couple days later he came back and there are some things too. He's got it going on, and I'll read it off. It says single layer takes about 10 minutes to cure. The life dependency is depending on the driving conditions, but it says he can last up to a month. He said he has reports of some people getting over 1 month. He says, yes, all interior and exterior surfaces, not glass. I don't think, but haven't tried it yet. I would recommend it on glass, and I'm not going to try it on interior. And he says it makes everything it touches water and dirt proof, which if I would have known that, I would have tested that out. So I will be making another video on this product in the future to test that out. It says would be cool to see a few layers on the tire and then spray with water to show the hydrophobic strength. So this video is basically showing how well it works, and at the time of making the video I didn't know how well it was going to work. So this is going to be my last area test. I did the right side. You can see the 50-50 shot right there of how well it does bring back some faded plastic. But what I did notice after, I don't know, it took probably 20-30 minutes, that the plastic was pretty thirsty. So recommend definitely for sure a second coat. So there will be another video. Don't know when though. I'll have to work on it to test out the dirt and the hydrophobics of the water, and because right now I got pretty booked up with regular details and need to get those done also. So there will be another product review coming, and I'm gonna meet you guys here in a few minutes for my final thoughts. All right, so my final thoughts on the product is it's not bad. The experience on it wasn't too bad either, so I'm going to go back to the Instagram messages I had with him. He says, got new labeling. I haven't seen the new labels yet, so I'm hoping the new labels can show some instruction, when you can layer, how often you can layer, the expectancy of what you can get on it, and so he does say there is new labeling on there. There's no discoloration, and he has upgraded the label, so which is pretty cool. So I'm glad he's still working on things. It is pretty sticky, even though I got a little bit on the outside. My fingers with no gloves on, it's sticky. So I recommend putting some gloves on with this. Like I said, there'll be another video coming out. Don't know when. I'll have to work on it though. On doing layering, now that I know you can layer it, and we'll test the hydrophobics, and we'll do a dirt test on it to see if we get some dirt to stick on it or not, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll leave a link if you guys do want to try it out yourselves in the description down below, to greenautotechnology.com. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, and the live streams we do every other Saturday, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. It does help the channel grow, and I do guys appreciate it. And until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.